thought I didn't. Oh my god, dude. Yo, we're at the gym. We starting the gym today. Oh fuck, I had to do the intro later because you hear the copyright. Bro, it is so loud in here. But what is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Eddie. And we starting at the gym, as you guys can tell. But I got my boy Yuli with me. Look at this dude hitting back. Jeez. I haven't hit the gym all week. So when Yuli hit me up, I was like, I'm down. And as you guys know, my car's not here yet. I still don't have it. Still have yet to pick it up. Might pick it up in this video. I'm not sure, but hopefully it's ready by then. But I wanted to come hit the gym because I haven't hit it all week and I just felt like weak. Like I felt like I hadn't done anything all week or anything, so I had to come to the gym on a Friday, just Mando, just to get a little workout in. Hey yo, Chad! It's on fire, bro. It's on fire. Oh, Yuli hitting the shoulders. I'm about to hit the bench press right now with the dumbbells. It is like my second set, but we're getting it, we're getting it. So we just finished up at the gym. We got a light little workout in. I didn't record much, obviously, because that music was just bumping, bro. Like hella copyright. And just, I didn't want to be in people's way either. I don't like putting my tripod in areas where people might potentially like walk in front, just kick you or some shit. Huh. Right. I don't know what he's about to do right now. I don't know if he's about to take me home. We about to go eat. I don't know what's about to happen. Home. Hey, yo. That's fucked up, cuz. What the hell? Damn, throwback to the TRD, man. Throwback to the turd. The TRD, bro. Throwback to the TRD. Sometimes I miss it, sometimes I don't. I miss it because I was wide body. I don't miss it because of all the little imperfections it had. It's the only thing. But if I could buy it back, I would. And fix it up better. But there goes the Camry. Bye bye. Vroom 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 vroom. Damn, bro. Mustache still working on it. Leave me alone. Anyways, Merry Christmas Eve. Actually, when I picked this up, it is Christmas Eve. So, or probably when this video goes up, it's gonna be Christmas Day. So Merry Christmas to all you guys. And yeah, I'm picking up this video very weird because I was at the gym and then it's been weeks. I think like a week later after that clip you saw me, Ulysses at the gym. Yeah, as you guys can tell by the video, by the title of the video, I'm not sure if I put it on the title anyways. But yeah, my car's still not ready. My car's been there for about a week and a half already. So still haven't even got the car back yet. As I'm waiting, some came in for the car. So I bought some and my car not even here yet for its gift. But I bought something and I just thought, why not show you guys. Also, I bought a shirt from TJ Hunt's thing and it came just in time for Christmas. So yeah, let's unbox this for you guys real quick here. Because the lighting is like probably like the psych, just kidding. I don't really got good lighting over here, man. This shit sucks. Lighting ain't the best in my house right now. But fucking whatever, man. Here, let's see if I can place you guys right here. Alright, whatever. So yeah. Let's see how it is. Let's see what it looks like. I ordered a carbon fiber duck bill for the car. Just in case you guys were wondering what this big box is. But yeah. We got a carbon fiber duck bill. It was a steal, bro, to be honest. A stupid steal. It was going for 180, no, 190. And your boy got it for 83 bucks. Come on, man. So we got the 3M tape. Instruction list. Instruction. Hey, a car's carbon fiber mirrored duck bill. So let's see what it looks like. Let's see if there's any defects to this. Cause I could definitely tell this was used. Look, the 3M tape didn't even bother taking it off. It's still on there. That's why it was cheap, cause it's a refurbished one. But they said the quality is really good and shit, so we about to find out real quick if it is or not. Like the duck bill's sick, don't get me wrong. It's a sick duck bill. Like it's so nice. Real carbon fiber too, everything. The only it irks me is that they didn't take off the 3M tape on here. I don't know if you guys can see that. 3M tape's all around the edges. So they didn't bother taking it off. Or they tried to and just couldn't, so they just left it on there. That's the only thing that irks me. If like it's gonna be way more of a hassle of trying to take it off, then I'll just take it off. I mean, I'll just send it back, but by the looks of it, it looks like they were trying to take it off and they couldn't take it off. Hello? Sheesh, man. Yeah, so I don't know how I feel about that. Like that's like it's so stuck on there that's why they didn't even bother taking it off, because they were like, yeah fam, this shit is stuck. The only way you guys would know if I kept this or not is if it's on the car. If it's not on the car, then you know I returned it. But we'll see what I do with it. I don't know. But this is like I said, 83 bucks, and now I know why. But yeah, just waiting on my car still. I don't know. When they called me like the day I was supposed to pick it up, and they called me saying, hey brother, we tuned the car, but you had a misfire on something. I didn't really even get to specify and hear what he said on what misfired, but he said something about an O2, something O2, and I was just like, oh fuck. So I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm just waiting to get the call and be like, hey, you go pick it up and it's ready, and then I'll go pick it up. But as of right now, I'm still waiting on the waiting game. My dad's truck, it's at the shop too. His is practically done, just needs to get tuned, and it'll be tuned on Monday, so his car will probably be done before mine. And we took it in at the same time too, so that's that kind of sucks. But anyways, it's all good. We gotta think about the positive side. I can't control what's out of my control, so it is what it is anyways. And it's Christmas, so it's okay, you know. But yeah guys, I hope you guys are all spending it with your family and your loved ones, and if you're by yourself, it's okay, you know. Love yourself, baby. Self-love all day, every day. It's all good. But yeah, got hella gifts over there, a lot, mucho, and none of those are ours. They're for other people. Yeah, that's the Mexican lifestyle, bro. We get hella gifts, we put them all on the tree, and they're not even for ours. They're not even for us. They're for other people. So if you ever wonder why our tree's so full, just know it's not even our gifts. It's other people's gifts, our cousins and all that good. But yeah, man. So I hope you guys all have a beautiful Christmas. I'm not gonna end the video just yet, but I'm just hoping you guys all have a beautiful Christmas. Y'all spending it with your loved ones, and make sure y'all tell each other y'all love each other. You know, tell one another that you love them. Cause I love you guys. Oh, and by the way, thank you guys so much for 800 subscribers, bro. We're at 800 now, which is pretty dope. From a year ago to where we are now, it's pretty fucking dope. We're at 800, almost at 1,000. But hey, this is not a sprint, it's a marathon, and we're here for the long ride. We're here for the journey. So I'm glad you guys are a part of the journey, and you guys are going through this wave with me. Like you guys know how impatient I am. I just want my car. I just want my car. You guys remember how long I waited for the Camry? I don't want to wait this long for the BMW either. And I'm just getting the tune, full bolt-ons. That's it, baby. Come on, man. Boom. And this is the shirt that I bought from TJ's website, TJ Hunt & Co. You know, got the nice thing in the bottom. It says keep moving forward. It's a vibe. And I also bought a C8 wide body pen. See if it'll focus. Wow, bam. Jeez. Thought this was sick. I usually put a lot of pins on my hat, so decided to get this too and put it on a hat. Damn, bro. Why does this thing make me look thick, bro? I need to chill. Anyways, I'm all dressed up for my Christmas pajama party. Fresh kicks of the day. I throw the AJ ones on. Yes, sir. But yeah, guys, I'm ending the video here. As you guys can hear, the family's out there. We're about to head to my aunt's house to have a little Christmas pajama party. And for the car, as of right now, as of moment time right now, the only news is there is no news. I have to wait. The news is that yeah, there's no update, and I'm just waiting for the car to be finished and waiting for the call to go pick it up. So I appreciate you guys for being patient with me, for real. And you know, like I said, I can't control what's out of my control, so it is what it is. I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I hope you guys all have a beautiful, amazing Christmas with your family. Who right here and it's peeking. Yeah, look at you guys. Yeah, all you guys are peeking.
You're taking this.
Okay, well then leave it over there.
Oh wait, you're taking the cake that's on the table.
Okay, then leave it over there. I'll take it. It's fine.
Damn.
Gosh, you saw all of them peeking
peeking
like an owl, all of them. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be with the family. Hope y'all with your family. And like I said, tell them all you love them right now. Pause the video and tell them you love them right now. Pause the video and go tell them right now. But like I said, guys, this has been your boy Eddie, and once again, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays.